Hi, it's Britt with Usborne Books and More, bringing you the best children's books, opening a world of possibilities, and changing children's lives one book at a time. I want to take a couple minutes today to talk with you all about our nonfiction books that are geared to some of our youngest readers. Yes, nonfiction and young readers, it can be possible and it can be engaging and fun and really draw them in. I wanted to start with our Lift the Flaps Opposite book. Lift the Flaps Opposite, we also have shapes and colors, and our new one, Lift the Flap Numbers, is amazing. This one has so many fun flaps. So we have over and under. As we go through this book, it kind of breaks it into different real life scenarios. This is at the park. We have hungry, and then we have full, high, low, so many different things as you go through the brightly colored pages, working on all of the opposite words that you could think of. We also have my very first books. This one is the space book. This one goes through, it's full of nonfiction, it's full of knowledge, it's full of facts about astronauts and the spacewalk. It's in a kind of a cartoony way with labeled pictures for young readers to really become drawn in and pulled in to learning new things. Space is their thing. This is a fantastic book that talks about almost anything you would want to know about space. So check out my very first space book. Along the lines of Lift the Flap Opposites, we have a couple wonderful books of Lift the Flap First Questions and Answers. We have some of these geared for older readers, about the world and your body, animals and stuff like that. But the first questions and answers, this one's How Do Flowers Grow? We also have a brand new one called What Makes It Rain? This is a smaller book, again with flaps, and it has questions. Do plants need food? You lift it up and you find the answer. So on all of these pages, you're going to have numerous flaps answering questions about how do flowers grow and the scientific process behind that. Parts of nature and what happens, how do seeds get out of the pods, do squirrels plant seeds, all of these fun questions and the answers going through seasons and so much more. How do flowers grow? Also wanted to talk about our wonderful hardback nonfiction books. These are $4.99 each. We have many different series of these, but the new Usborne Young Beginners series just came out. We have baby animals and we have flowers. These hardback books have paper pages, but they are precious. The illustrations are amazing and there's just very minimal text, so it's not overwhelming to the youngest readers. These are books that you can read together. They can promote great dialogue with you and your child as you read them, and they can be very helpful with learning new things. Sharks lay eggs in the sea. Shark pups hatch out of the eggs and swim away. Baby turtles hatch out. Tadpoles grow legs. So there's so much information inside this, as well as the one about the flowers, kind of like the other ones about how do flowers grow. This one doesn't have flaps though. This one's just, paper pages full of the process of how flowers grow. And the last book I want to share with you for our young readers is our big book of colors. This one is awesome. Starts out with a great table of contents and a fantastic color wheel. It's not only tactile, it helps, you can match up colors, you can learn complementary colors. As we go through the book, you start to see real life objects sorted on each page by their color. So for your youngest reader, you could just learn identifying orange, pink, blue. As you get older, you could start increasing vocabulary. Custard is yellow, gold, buttercup is yellow. And then it has facts about some of the pictures as well. Starfish, the safety orange, stop, red is the color for all stop signs around the world. It's universal, so that's exciting, and it's something that children may not know. Is red a lucky color? Well, lots of sports teams play in red. Maybe they think it's lucky. So it goes through, and then as you get towards the back of the book, it has a page where it introduces mixing colors. So for the readers that may be a little older, as this book grows with your children, you can start to talk about mixing colors as well as changing colors. There's this fantastic overlay that as you move it from one side to the other, it changes the colors, which is really neat to go back and forth and see how that works. And then moods and meanings, and how different colors can mean different things for different people. And so many, examples of that. Green is natural, pink could be friendly, yellow is sunny and cheerful. So For more exploring in the Big Book of Colors, check it out, and happy reading.